Hola amigos! Welcome back to Eating with Andy. Today we're gonna be making smoked salmon Mexican tostadas. A tostada is a fried corn tortilla that can be topped with many different things. A delicious dish you can have for brunch or as a light lunch. They're packed full of flavor and I serve them on top of a Mexican salad with a jalapeño coriander dressing, which I make quite often. So, let's get started. Let's begin with our jalapeño coriander dressing. I love this dressing so much and you will too. In a blender, I've got the olive oil, lime juice, coriander leaves, a de-seeded jalapeño, some tahini, honey, cumin, Dijon mustard, garlic, and salt. Blend it until smooth. Add the red pepper flakes and blend for a few more seconds. Our dressing is done. In a big bowl, combine the red and savoy cabbage with one small grated carrot and a corn which I've just boiled, and the coriander. You can dress this salad in advance, but without the coriander because you don't want it to wilt. For our chili mayo, which will spread all over our tostadas, I've got my foolproof homemade mayo. The link for it is here above. I'm just going to whisk in all of the ingredients in a bowl. Pop it in the fridge until we're ready to assemble. Now to our tostadas. I've got some corn tortillas here, but they're too big. So I'm going to be using a cookie cutter to make them a bit smaller and bite-sized. Pour some oil until it comes up about 3 centimeters into a saucepan and heat until it reaches 180 degrees Celsius on a thermometer. Or you can check the oil is hot enough if you break off a tiny piece of the tortilla, pop it in the pan and see if it bubbles up. Then the oil is ready for frying. Add the tortillas and cook turning once for 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side until they're golden and crispy. Drain on some paper towel. Dress your salad. Now we're ready to assemble. Spread 1 teaspoon of that chili lime mayo on each tostada. Put the avocado slices and season with some salt. Place the chopped smoked salmon. Then top with the pickled jalapenos, a few drops of that chipotle Tabasco, and finish off with a sprinkle of coriander. Serve on top of your salad. That just looks gorgeous. The colors are so vibrant. I can't wait to dig in. Seriously, that dressing is amazing. It's creamy, slightly nutty and tangy. It's so fresh. Now to the tostada. That's so good. All the flavors that are coming through. You've got that creamy, zesty, and slightly spicy chili lime mayo, the spicy and sour jalapeños and coriander cutting through that rich smoked salmon, and finally smoky hints from that chipotle Tabasco. It's a perfectly balanced tostada. Now this is brunch goals. That's it for today. Don't forget to tag me on your photos on Instagram and Facebook. I absolutely love seeing your recreations of my recipes. I hope you enjoy the tostadas. I'll see you soon. Have a great week. Adios, amigos.